Welcome. Take a moment to sit comfortably, with your food in front of you. Before you begin eating, just pause. Look at your food. Notice the colors, the details, the way it's arranged. Maybe you've never really looked at your food like this before. Bring your attention closer. Notice the texture. Is it smooth? Rough? Soft? Crisp? Notice how the light reflects off it. Let your curiosity wake up. Now gently bring the food closer. Notice the aroma. Take a slow breath in. What do you smell? Is it rich, warm, fresh, subtle? Let the scent prepare your body for eating. Now, slowly take your first bite. Don't rush. Let the food sit in your mouth for a moment before chewing. Just notice. As you begin to chew, go slowly, really slowly. Notice the texture breaking down. Is it crunchy? Soft? Creamy? Juicy? Stay with that sensation. Pay attention to the flavors. Do they change as you chew? Do new flavors appear? Maybe something sweet, salty, savory, or something unexpected, keep your attention here, on the taste, on the movement, on the experience. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Gently bring it back. Back to the next bite. Back to the taste. Back to what's actually happening. Take another bite. Again, slowly. Notice how this bite feels different from the first. Maybe the flavor is clearer now. Maybe your body is responding differently. As you continue eating, notice your pace. See if you can naturally slow it down. No forcing, just awareness. Notice the moment when the urge to take the next bite appears. Can you pause, just for a second, before acting on it? Feel the food as you swallow. Follow the sensation down. A simple, quiet moment that usually goes unnoticed. Continue eating like this, one bite at a time, fully present. Now begin to notice your body. Just simple awareness. Is the hunger softening? Is there a sense of satisfaction beginning? You don't need to finish everything automatically. Just notice when your body starts to feel enough.